In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI more safely and responsibly by managing your privacy and verifying information. I'll start by clicking my profile in the bottom corner and heading into the Preferences menu. I'm scrolling down to the bottom of the page to find the AI Data Retention toggle. I'll switch this off so that my personal searches are no longer used to train the AI models, keeping my data much more private. Next, I'm going back to the home screen to search for the latest safety regulations for electric vehicles in 2026, making sure to ask for cited links. The AI provides a detailed report on new battery standards and international safety codes while clearly listing its official sources. This transparency allows me to verify the facts directly through the provided links to ensure the information is both current and accurate. For my next search, I'm asking for a home workout for back pain while explicitly requesting that the AI does not store any of my personal medical data. Perplexity returns a gentle 15-minute routine featuring stretches like cat-cow and knee-to-chest movements. It responsibly includes safety warnings and sources, the exercises from trusted medical institutions to ensure the advice is grounded in professional standards. Finally, I'll ask about common myths regarding AI privacy and how to detect if a response is biased or outdated. The results debunk common misconceptions about data access and provide a simple verification flow for cross-referencing information. This approach helps me stay critical of AI responses and ensures I am using the tool as a secure and reliable research assistant. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.